Hey everyone, how's it going? In honor of 4th of July coming up, I want to show you how to draw a 4th of July puppy. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our 4th of July puppy, we're going to begin right up here, and I just want to start with a line that's going to come across. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to come over, and we're going to go back up here. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come out. We're going to go around, and we're going to come right back to here. Starting here, we're going to add two little lines that are going to come up. And we're going to draw another little line that comes across here. Starting here, I'm going to draw two lines that are going to go up, and you can see they kind of come out a little bit. And then we're going to connect them with like a big sad face. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a black dot, and I'm just going to color this most of the way in. I'll leave a little bit white. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. We're going to make a little black dot, and we're going to color in most of it. We'll just leave a little tiny bit white. Make this one just a little bit bigger to match. Starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come across. And a line that's going to go down and then up for our nose. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to go over and up. And one right here, it's going to go down, over, and up. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down on each side. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down, and then up and down here for the top of the tongue. Next, we'll make a line that's going to go down. It's going to go over and up, with a little line that's going to come down. Then you can just color in this part really quickly. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up. It's going to come down, and then we're going to go back up here for an ear. Do the same thing here. We're going to go up. We're going to come down at an angle, and then we're going to go back up. They'll make a little line right here on each side. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a small circle shape. Then we'll make a line that's going to go out, it's going to go down, and then come back for a bow tie. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go out, we're going to go down, and then back up for a bow tie. And I always like to add a little line inside each spot right there. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and we'll do the same thing over here. Right here, we'll make a line that's going to curve out and in, and we'll do the same thing here. We're going to go out and then in. Draw a little line that's going to go up and down, and it's going to come over. And we'll do another one here. We're going to go up and down, and then we're going to come over. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and one over here. Make a line that's going to curve up and down and over. One here, we're going to go up and down and then over. Then I'm just going to connect these. Next, starting here, we're just going to draw a little line that comes down. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come down for the tail. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little kind of like patriotic little puppy for the 4th of July. Now you can always add some extra details. You can put things on the hat here. You can make stars. You can draw stripes. I'm just going to color my stripes in when I put them on there. And then you can decorate your dog however you want to. You can always put spots on him. You could color him one solid color. You can do whatever you want to. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.